Hi. So I was about to go to the gym, and then I saw that I got one of my Gnc Pro boxes in the mail. So I thought that I would unbox it on camera. The Gnc Pro membership is like $60 a year, and I don't know why I thought I was made money when I did this. That's not a lot of money, but up front I was like, yeah, I'll do it. And then I couldn't feed myself. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox this. So let's see what's in here. And they send you these boxes like 3 times a year, and you get like emailed coupons and like discounts and stuff, and like a couple times a year they will let you pick a brand that you want a discount on. So something that I buy a lot is like the Regen, like the BCAAs and the creatine. I might move away from that, just I'm someone that kind of watches out for that, except for my BCAAs. For some reason I'm like, oh, that's okay, I love Blue 40 or whatever it is. But okay, let's open this. So it's just like this. So I guess it's called the My Gnc Pro Access. And it comes with this card, and it tells you everything that's in there. So everything that I open or show you guys, I'll read off what it says about it. There's not much in here. Pretty much looks like how it was last time. The first thing that I'm picking up is the Performix Women's 8-hour time release multi what? It contains caffeine, 8 hours of free radical defense, increased energy, and mental focus. It has a bunch of vitamins in it. Okay. Oh gosh, I love these. So this is the Quest Beyond Cereal Protein Bar. When I was doing keto, this is pretty much all I ate. I didn't eat, I ate eggs in this. So it does have a milk protein based whey protein isolate, so I'm not supposed to have milk. So I would take like a Lactaid, and then I would eat these. But these taste they taste really good. You know, if you're watching this, you've probably had Quest bars before. Maybe you haven't, but they taste awful. All the flavors taste the same, but these actually taste good. And it's 4.5 gram fat, 17 carb, and 12 grams of protein. This one has 7 grams of fiber, so if you're doing like net carbs, then you would do 17 grams carbs minus 7 grams fiber, so that's 10 grams total. The other ones were less than that, so that's why I was eating them on keto. But yeah, Quest bars in general just have almost no net carbs, so that's ideal for keto, but these taste really good. The next thing is protein superfood. It's called Amazing Grass Protein Superfood. Delicious organic shake combines plant-based protein with a nutritious blend of greens, fruits, and veggies. Has 7 grams fat, 11 grams carbs, and 20 grams of protein. That's cool. I'm assuming it's vegan. Yeah, it's vegan. No sugar added. That's cool. Probably doesn't taste that good, but we'll see. Why? Whey protein. So when I signed up, they kind of ask you a bunch of things like, are you vegan? Are you lactose intolerant? Stuff like that. And I'm lactose intolerant. But this is the whey protein chocolate box. chocolate box. Just whey protein. By J. Rob. It's pretty self-explanatory. 110 calories. 30. Wait, how much protein? Okay, there's 0 grams fat, 1 gram of carbs, and 25 grams of protein. That's pretty good. And this probably tastes way better because it's like milk based. So I would probably just take a lactate and then drink this, because if I drink this by itself, it's no bueno. Okay. Ooh, BCAAs. So this is Beyond Raw Precision BCAA. Tropical punch flavored. If you guys want me to do, I'm probably going to do it anyways. I was going to do a supplement overview, what I take. I do drink BCAAs, and I do have creatine and carnitine, stuff like that. But I'm almost out of my BCAAs, so this will be a nice filler before I buy the next one that I buy. I'm not really sure. So this has 10 grams BCAAs. And usually BCAAs are like an okay source of protein. For the scoop of the Regen BCAAs, it's about 6 grams protein. Ooh, it has cactus extract. Cool. Okay, that's weird. So this is the Biomiracle Collagen Mask. It's a sheet mask. I like sheet masks. Prevents and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moisturizing, firming, and rejuvenating. Cool. And that's it. That is it. I do also take collagen as a supplement. I will talk about that when I talk about supplements in the next video. But yeah, that was it. Is this box worth it? Is it worth the $60 a year? Not really sure yet, because I really haven't needed to buy anything. But yeah, I hope that was helpful if you guys were interested in that. I'm going to go to the gym. It is a push hypertrophy day. So I'm going to be working on some chest and some triceps. But I'll catch you guys later. Bye. It's pretty good.